What's up? Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Fishing Culture. And today I am alone. It's approximately 6:15, just starting to get bright, and it's chilly today. Got a very strong southwesterly wind blowing at about 20 knots per hour, and yeah, it's cold, man. It's cold, and I never checked the weather forecast, and I sense there's some rain coming by, but I'm gonna try. Let's see what we can get today. I've already rigged up, and I'm gonna be fishing with a prawn and chocker combination today. The water is looking lovely, guys. The water is absolutely lovely today, and full high is at 8:30. So I've got 2 hours of fishing until full high, and I'm probably going to fish another 2 hours going down. Beautiful morning, guys. Beautiful morning. Stay tuned. Let's see what I can get for you guys. Okay, first cast to the morning, guys. First cast for the morning. Slight wash to the left. Okay, guys, that's my first trace gone, so I'm just gonna tie up another trace. Today, guys, I'm fishing with my Metalloid, Akuma Metalloid 6500, and I paired that up with my 12-foot Assassin Saber. Okay, just I'm not sure if you guys can see this clear, but this is how I normally tie my leader on. I'm using a 0.60 diameter leader line, which I keep approximately about a meter and a half in length. That's when I'm fishing with my grinder. Right, so basically, guys, it's just 2 figure-of-8 knots which I tie together. Okay, that's the first one, and then you do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Exact same thing on the other side. Right, you got 2 figure-of-8s, lubricate, and pull together. Make sure that the knots meet together and all the coils line up. Okay, and then pull tight. Okay, so that's basically how I join my leader to my main line, but this is quite strong, guys, and as you can see, all the coils are in sequence and they all tighten up. So the harder you pull, the more they tighten up. And yeah, it's got if you can see this, it must have that bounce to it, right? It must have that spring to it, so basically it absorbs all that shock. Let's cut off the tag ends. Okay. There you go, guys. That's how I tie my leader. Okay, today is also a very tough day, guys, but we're gonna keep on trying. This is obviously the first spot that I've tried, and yeah, it's quiet. It's quiet. Apart from the small peckers, nothing much happening. I'm gonna make one more throw and see if I can get a bronzy. I'm actually trying for a bronzy right now. I do have my bronzy trace, as you can see, with a pink prawn. Yeah, so if I don't get anything out of this, then I'm probably going to head more towards the north. And there's another spot that I would like to fish on a high tide. Maybe try for a small cobby or anything for that matter. But yeah, I have been quite lucky on that side, so I'm gonna go and give it a shot just after this throw. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Almost forgot you. I am here at our second spot. Not sure if you can see, we've got some rocks here on this side, and further on that side we've got more rock formation, and in the center here is a small little bay. As I said before, it has been quite productive for me, so yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully in this high water we get a stray cobby coming in. What's up guys? Okay, so only after I made the trace I already put my bait on, then I realized I should have done this before that, so you guys can see what I'm how I prep my bait up. But it's a very standard cork trace, guys. 3-ounce barrel, 0.65 hook snoot, and all I have here is choker with a little bit of high density foam at the bottom, and two special green and orange beads. These are my lucky beats. So let's hope I get a bite now. Now is full high tide. So yeah, let's hope I can get a pull over here. The water is looking better. Doesn't look like it's drifting too much to the left. So I hope this bait stands properly and I get a pull. Okay guys, cheers. Good morning guys, welcome to another episode of Fishing Culture. And today I am solo, flying solo today guys, fishing solo. Unfortunately Kavi can't join me today, and he worked the night shift and is a bit tired, so I decided to come back down to Amkumas and try for maybe like 2 hours, 3 hours. The weather is looking quite lovely. The water's looking absolutely beautiful. I think it's almost full high tide now, so I'm not gonna rush it. I just got myself a breakfast, cup of coffee. I'm gonna enjoy that and head my way down, bait up, and try and fish the going out water. But for now, yeah, things are looking a little bit on the rough side, but if not looking too bad. So guys, join me, let's see what we can get today. Let's see what I can get you guys today, and yeah, stay tuned. Nothing better than coming down early in the morning and experiencing this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's not much more beautiful than this, guys. And I get the privilege to enjoy it. Yeah, so looking at the water, guys, it's rough, it's choppy, the waves are quite high, and just trying to figure out where to fish right now. Okay guys, we are on the rocks And look at this. So this is where I'm going to be fishing. Okay, no need to throw very far. Waves are quite big, but I'm going to be fishing somewhere around there, right in the front. Nice drain and lovely working water, nice color. I don't see why I should not be catching a fish there. Let's give it a shot. Let's go. First cast for the morning, guys. I would have expected to get some bites, but things are fairly quiet. There is quite a bad drift to the right. Lots of small fish, guys. Oh, these guys are finishing my bait. Lots of small fish in the water. Guys, there we go. Something. Small rock art. Very small. Oh, there we go. Nice bite. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. Look at that. Ah. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. Shit. What happened there? What happened there? Whoa. This is just not possible. It's not possible. I don't understand. That was such a genuine fish, guys. Oh, look at this. Cut me off completely. No, man, this can't be happening. This really can't be happening. I just don't understand. I don't understand. What am I doing wrong, guys? If anyone can help me, I never have this problem. Generally hook the fish, take it out, but this time I'm just not getting it right, guys. Am I doing something wrong? Please, on the comments, let me know. I'm so disappointed, man. What's going on? Yeah, so guys, I just put another bait out, had a new leader line, put a bigger bait, bigger hook, and hoping whatever took me, hopefully there's a pair. So yeah, let's give it another 15-20 minutes and let's see what happens, man. I hope I get taken down again, but I'm so disappointed, guys. That was such a lovely fish. It's hard to explain the pull. Just spoke to two divers who were just going in, and yeah, they told me, you know what, they have been seeing some mussel cracker in the front. So yeah, could have been a mussel cracker, could have been a decent sized yellowtail or a kingy. But yeah, guys, we're gonna keep on trying. Let's see what happens.